After fasting all day, hydration is priority number one when it comes to iftar. And this red and tangy hibiscus drink known as Bissap is one that really does quench your thirst. Loaded in both antioxidants and vitamins, it is no surprise that our elders tell us that this drink keeps them youthful. Ramadan. Hello indulgers, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our second episode of this year's iftar series. In this bowl I have 2 cups of dry hibiscus flowers which I'm going to wash just once or twice to remove any sand, dirt or debris. Ramadan, 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 marhaba. Set your washed hibiscus leaves aside and proceed to clean your strawberries. In this bowl I have 300 grams of fresh strawberries. I'm just going to remove the top part of the strawberries and soak them in some water just to make sure they're extra clean. Go on to blend your strawberries until you have a smooth puree. You want to really break down those seeds as much as possible because they have a tendency of passing through sieves. And after all, we want our product to be as smooth as possible and pleasant to drink. Pour your pureed strawberry into the boiling pot of water. Allow that to cook for 2 to 3 minutes before completely switching off the heat. The rationale behind boiling your strawberry puree with the hot water is in order to stretch the shelf life of your Bissap. If you were to add the strawberry puree without boiling it, it is more than likely that your Bissap will go bad a lot quicker. As soon as the heat is switched off, add your washed hibiscus, followed by your fresh mint leaves. Add about 30 grams of vanilla sugar. You can also use vanilla essence as a substitute. I'm going to set aside 2 cups of Bissap before going ahead to add half a cup of sugar. This is because I have family members who do not take sugar, so instead I'm going to sweeten that with honey. You can also use any sweetener of choice such as date sugar, stevia and their likes. Set your Bissap aside until it has infused and has completely cooled. Proceed to strain your Bissap with a fine strainer to catch all the mint leaves as well as the hibiscus flowers. And of course the strawberry seeds that didn't quite break down during the blending process. There is absolutely everything to love about this drink. Let me know in the comments section if you will be trying it. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. I'd love to be able to share more recipes with you in the near future. Just to prepare our cup today, I have a bit of sugar here and some grounded hibiscus flowers which I'm going to mix until they combine. Next I'm going to rub a lemon wedge around the rim of my cup and then dip my cup into that mixture. Bissap is best enjoyed cold, so don't forget those ice cubes and pour in your Bissap and enjoy. Just to garnish, we have some strawberry skewers and some fresh mint. A blessed and productive Ramadan to you and your family. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next episode of Iftar with Iti. Ideally, you want to purchase something that is 100% tamarind without any additional ingredients. It's looking good. Now we're going to serve. And to serve